Hi, I'm Megan Dose, and I come from the museum and tour guide industry. So when I built my app, Exhibit, which is a play on museums, I wanted to create what I dubbed the IMDB of art. I uh, wanted to create a very verbose database that had a lot of searching capability, which I found a lot of fun and challenging to get down. Uh, and I was able to do that with a database that had about 13 tables, relationships coming through from foreign keys and association tables to create a lot of normalized data for people to be able to search for their art and then favorite the ones that they really loved. And I used the Google Maps API to be able to map them out in the world so that people could find the art they loved and see it in person. And this is kind of a passion project of mine that I felt I wanted to see in the world. And so we're going to start by searching for Renaissance artworks. You can see here I'm using the Masonry library for a cascading grid effect that makes it look really modern and sleek. And we're going to go visit Miss Mona Lisa here, who's demonstrating the profile pages for my artworks. You can see there's a link to the artist and a link to the museum, and that's all interconnected. But you can also see all the data that's been parsed through from art movement to date to subject matter to really help students who want that quick information as they're studying. And then you notice that the mouse here has clicked on the favorites button, and we've added it to our users' favorite artworks list on their profile page. And you can see the Google Maps here displaying the clusters of all their favorite artworks and how close they are to one another in the world. I use the map cluster here with JavaScript to show those big art hubs that have cities with lots of museums right on top of each other. And say our user is going to go visit London here, and they have two of their favorite artworks there. As they look at the Google Maps, they have an info window that shows them the website of the museum, and they can go buy their tickets, and they can also see the exact paintings that they want to see in that museum. And I'm planning on making this mobile responsive so that you can use this on your phone as you're traveling. You can purchase your tickets right from your phone. You don't have to worry about planning super hard in advance to see everything. And then finally, I want to talk about something that's going on more under the hood, which is using the Google Cloud Vision API. It takes in the images. I send off my images to their API, and they give me labels such as statue or painting to make the search much more verbose. I didn't have to hand type these in. The API allowed these labels to come along. And then you have more untraditional ones, like this one, for instance, for dress, or my personal favorite, muscle, which allows you to see some big, beefy classical sculptures if that's what you're in the mood for. So thank you very much. I have a lot of plans to expand this, add more artwork and more features, and I really love it. So thank you.